Welcome back, y'all. Welcome back to the channel that gets back to the hood, so you know what's good. It's your boy Broadway J, host of Kicks and Beats. If you're new, hit subscribe and like. We got another giveaway coming up in September. Anyways, what do we have for you guys here today? Another early look. We have the Adidas Yeezy Foam Runner, and the colorway we have to present to you guys today is the Ochre colorway, of course. Now, this is a colorway that we expected to drop August 2nd via Yeezy Day, but unfortunately, that did not happen. It got pushed back. Really sucks, but we got the look here for you guys today. Thank God, thank God. Anyways, oh yeah, we actually have two looks for you guys here today. We have the MX Cream Clay, which dropped on Yeezy Day. And if you guys happen to cop, for those who are watching, please let us know below in the comment section. Did you cop or did you not? And do you plan on copping within the resale market if you have not yet to do so? But anyways, let's get into this bad boy right quick. This is one of the most anticipated colorways for me. Like, this is a colorway I really wanted to see. And we got it here today, so let's check it out. Shout out to StockX for this one, and shout out to DHL. You guys have been killing it this year in 2021 for shipping, and 2020 as well, to be honest. All right, let's take all this out. The receipt, give me a second, guys. Crossed my well, not crossed, but ripped my personal information over here real quick. You guys will need to see that, but just to show the proof, we do show nothing but authenticated product here on this channel. That's StockX right there. And we have another one that arrived. We will be posting that via Instagram. Check out our Instagram. It is Kicks and Beats, spelled the same way. We have a raffle going on for these in size 11 as we speak. I believe it's $35 for the slot. If you'd like to join, winner pays $15 additionally for shipping. But anyways, let's get into the shoe real quick. That's the front of the box, so you guys can see the sticker on it. Size 11. You don't see the name of the product on the outside because when it comes to foam runners, it's within the inside. See? It says foam, and in the very bottom, it's going to say runner. You got this paper here that comes with the box. Oh. It's very similar to the color of the box. Almost exact. Almost exact. All right. All right, I'm trying not to scream, guys, but this is an amazing color right here. Check it out, guys. Man, I like this. It's a real nice looking colorway. You know what this reminds me? Reminds me of dulce de leche. For those who don't know what dulce de leche is, taste a product that contains that sometimes. It's a wonderful flavor. A lot of people use it back in my hometown, the Dominican Republic. We're heavy on that dulce de leche. Yeah, mainly a Hispanic thing. But yeah, you guys need to check it out. If you don't know anything about dulce de leche, you have been missing out. That's something I can compare this to, honestly. That and kind of like the box, the Yeezy box. For those who don't know, this is the most comfortable product you will ever be able to find regarding footwear at the moment. Kanye West, you did it. You really did it, man. Yeezy brand, you guys did it big. This is made with Eva foam and algae. I hope I'm saying that right. Algae? I think it's algae. Yeah, algae. And this is made in the US, guys. Made in the US. Comes with a funny scent, real funny aroma. I see a lot of people wearing this with and without socks. In my opinion, it looks great either way. I like to go outside without socks most of the time, I'm noticing, but as winter comes along, I'm pretty sure you'll see me wearing all tons of different colored socks to go with these. Why? Because this silhouette contains a whole lot of holes, so there's a lot of colors you could play with when it comes to the socks, no doubt about that. And yeah, check out the bottom, guys. This is just such an amazing colorway, such an amazing silhouette. Just look at how beautiful the silhouette is, guys. You cannot go wrong with this silhouette, man. Now, lately I have been paying resale for all of them because it's really hard to hit. I have not hit one foam runner via retail price as of yet. Everything has been paid resale in the resale market, sadly. Hopefully changes will happen in the future. I know Kanye West claims he wants to make a lot more availability regarding these and the rest of his product, of course. He does have that Gap deal locked down for the next 10 years, so hopefully we'll be seeing these in stores soon. I do remember seeing a catalog, a preview of a Gap, Yeezy Gap catalog that is, regarding foam runners and other products, and within the foam runner section I saw 3 colorways they were supposed to present to us in stores, so hopefully we get to see that. I really hope we get to see that. I'm not mistaken, I believe one of the three was olive green as well, some sort of olive green. By the way, guys, these retailed at $80, $80 USD. And I know you guys want to see this on feet, so we're gonna do that right about now. Let's get to it. Anyways, this is another short video, of course. I just wanted to let you guys see the shoe, see how it looks and whatnot. Hopefully you guys have a better idea of how the shoe looks, and yeah, I say go for it. Now, although resale prices isn't looking terrible for these right now on StockX and Go and eBay, of course, I'd say wait, because you know these are supposed to release at retail price soon. Hopefully you can get it for retail. If not, do me a favor, do not place a bid more than $280. Usually a lot of people hit at $280. You usually don't have to leave a bid more than that. And one big piece of advice coming from me, when you leave bids on StockX, Go, eBay, etc., don't always try to outdo the highest bidder. I always leave less. Like when I see a foam runner for sale and somebody leaves a bid of $350, I end up leaving a bid of $280 afterwards, and my bid still usually gets taken because I know half the time it's the actual sellers that are doing that. Those bids are coming from them. And they just place it under a card that doesn't have enough money to cover it, of course, so that in case a different seller accepts that bid, they don't screw themselves over. Gotta think about these ideas sometimes, guys. You gotta think about these different strategies that these sellers may be coming up with, you know? Put yourself in their shoes. Take yourself and put yourself in them shoes right quick and see if you can come up with an idea or two, you know, on how to battle this resale market. This is what I'm doing currently. But yeah, stay tuned, guys. We got another early look coming up soon. I had an early look for you guys that was supposed to be here about 3 weeks ago. I'm not even joking, but something's going on with shipping. I don't know if it's because of COVID or what. These guys are taking way too long. Hopefully it'll arrive soon. But anyways, you know what time it is. Just stay tuned. We have another one coming up soon, and giveaways. Another one coming up soon, of course. It's your boy Broadway J, host of Kicks and Beats, the channel, and I'm out. Peace, y'all. Actually, hold up. Scratch that. We're not cutting the video just yet. I completely forgot that we have the MX Cream Clay to show you guys as well. How did I forget? All right. Let's show you these bad boys right here. Dropped a few days ago. Dropped on Yeezy Day. Let's do this real quick. I'm trying to do this real quick, actually, because I got a whole lot to take care of today. I'm trying to do this in the middle of chores and tasks. Here you go, guys. Once again, size 11. This is also going up via Instagram for raffle, guys. Check out our raffles. This is the best way to obtain a pair of Yeezy foam runners. Seriously, you're better off doing this. Once again, ripping out personal info. Show you guys proof. This is StockX verified. Authenticated. Alright. Oh, this is serious right here, man. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. These don't feel as good as the Ararat, and I want to say the Ochre because the Ochre feels just like the Ararat, but these feel, you know, like the mineral blues. And yes, there's a difference, guys. There's like two different types of feelings we're getting off these colorways. I don't know why. They're being made different. But yeah, Ararat and Ochre, they have this feeling to it, some type of extra comfortability that you will not get out of these other colorways. But still, this looks incredible. I like this design. This what is this, marble, guys? What is this? This looks insane. This is pretty insane. And the fact that, you know, all these holes, this one right here, this is a multicolor, but not two colors, guys. This comes with 3 colors total from what I'm seeing. Yeah, like 3 colors. You got this like dark tone of brown and some tone of gray in the mix down here, and some up here on the upper, and it's all blended in with this like creamy sand colorway. Yeah, I like this design. And this was actually one of the most limited pairs I heard. One of the most limited when it comes to quantity. The Ochre supposedly has a high count, so a lot of people should be able to hit on those. Well, a lot of the botters, I guess, but hopefully you guys can cop manually as well. This is incredible, guys. Take a look. Man, we're gonna have to show you an on feet for this as well. Yeah, we'll end the video with the on foot look. Honestly, there's not too much more to say about this shoe other than it's made with the same material as I said with the previous shoe, Eva foam and algae. But for some reason, like I said, once again, the Ochre colorway and Ararat, those are A1 when it comes to comfortability. It is different in comparison to these other colorways. But anyways, let's end this video with the on feet, shall we? Take care, y'all.